Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting video tutorial of Premiere Pro. And in this tutorial I will teach you how to create roll and crawl credits. Actually in this tutorial we will be creating roll credits. The crawl credits we will create in the upcoming tutorial. You know what is a roll credit or title? The roll titles are actually the end of the movie, if you remember. All those names and stuff, the technical, the actors, the director and producer's name, that roll up on the screen from bottom to upwards. Those are called roll credits. And if you are making a professional video or you are working on a movie and somebody asks you how to create roll titles, so you can then create them for them. You create them, or you can create it for your own project if that is your requirement of your project. Okay, in the roll titles they are called, if you have heard that term sometime or dialogue in a movie or something, when they say roll the titles, it means that the movie or the clip or video is ended. Now it's time for the titles to roll on the screen. Actually the titles will start from the bottom and then they will roll up. Of course you can reverse it, but it's the standard that titles always goes from bottom to top. So let's create them. Okay, now first of all let's go to our title scheme. Text in which titles are created. Okay, as I mentioned in the previous tutorials, the title window or panel in your Premiere Pro version might be different from this one, but you can find it somewhere in here if it is not visible. Okay, in this version of Adobe Premiere Pro CC that I am using, it is brought up when all the panels are clicked in here. If the panels are clicked, then it is shown here in the program window, otherwise it is not shown. So to create new title, we will just click on the new title creation button here. And one other thing I should mention, in the previous version and the type of titles that were created, that option was given here. So if you want to create roll titles, that had to be selected in here when the name and everything has to be selected, aspect ratios and stuff like that. But in this version that I'm using, that thing or that quality, and that whether it's a roll title or crawl title or any other type of still title, that is selected later on. I will show you how it's selected. Okay, first of all let's give it a name, roll titles. Okay, then click OK. Now once you have selected or created your new title, then go to this button which is underneath the new title icon and click on it, and then change your still titles to roll title. About the crawl title we will talk about in the upcoming tutorial. Then come down here and check these two check marks. One says start off screen and the other one tells it to end off screen. If you do not check these, then the title are gonna begin in the screen and then gonna end in the screen also. So make sure to check these two screens. Ease in and ease out are the keyframe configuration. You do not have to dwell into that point. Now click OK. Okay, now let's write, for example, we are creating titles for a movie. Okay, let's write some names of professions that are involved in a movie. Okay, first of all actor comes, then an actress of our choice, of course, then the director. Actually I might be getting these professions backward, but whatever. And then comes the supporting staff. Okay, supporting staff, whatever that is, staff. Okay, supporting staff. Okay, actually let me reduce their size. Okay, like that. Actually make it 80. Actually I want to make the whole title 80. It will be much better like that. Okay, so now let's go to the other side of the spectrum and write the names of the actors. Okay, in the movies we want to star as Brad Pitt. Okay, Okay, so far our casting has become really good. And for actress we will cast, okay, I don't know, unknown. Okay, unknown is not actress. So which actress is very famous these days? Okay, that I don't know, Mockingbird or Hunger Games actress. What was her name? She was one of my favorite and I don't know her name. Okay, what was her name? Jennifer something. Okay, let's just write Jennifer. Okay, then the director is Christopher Nolan. Okay, just write Nolan. Okay, so far the movie is looking really good. Producer, okay, Spielberg will produce it. We will request him to produce it. Okay, supporting staff, unknown. Forget about the supporting staff. Okay, now let's align these to our names. And most of the time when the movie's credits comes, there is in the middle there is this cape which is called the gutter, which is a little bit to one side or the other, and once you select it like this, then click on shift button to see whether your titles are selected or not. Okay, I think we need to bring this up a little. Yes, now they are aligned. Okay, now in top here we are going to write cast. Okay, or cast member you can also write. Let's increase its size a little. Okay, to 120. Okay, so it is the main heading, and of course you can go into the styles of your text and change it to whatever you like. I'm gonna give it this sort of a style. It does not need to be colored or really flamboyant colors or style, because titles are most of the time in black and white. They are just a technical stuff in your movie. They do not need any special effects or stuff like that. So once they are created, then go in here in your project pen and drag out your title into your timeline. And once they are brought in, make sure which length you want your titles to be. Okay, this is our movie, and we want once the movie ends, we want our titles to roll in. So let's hit play button and see how our titles perform. And now the title starts as the movie is ended. Okay, as you can see, the cast members are coming just like in the movies and stuff like that. Okay, now if the credits are going up slowly, then you can reduce the size of this title bar, or in here, if you reduce its size, then the speed will increase and the title will roll on the screen faster. If you want to slow them down, so increase the size of it, and then they will come out slowly like this, like the Star Wars credits when they roll up into the far away galaxy and stuff like that. And once then they go on and roll up out of the screen, stuff like that. Okay. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. In this tutorial I just wanted to tell you how to create roll titles, which comes in the end of the movies or video project. In the next tutorial we will be talking how to create crawl titles. Until then, goodbye.